taking a risk. We're saying we can't do anything to the one who seeks refuge with us. We can't leave them in the wild. Imagine people associate themselves with their own charisma. They don't leave the one who seeks refuge alone with their helplessness. Does the grandeur and magnificence of Allah, the exalted and majestic, leave seekers of refuge in Him helpless and abandoned? This is such an important tool. However, this tool, my friend, holds immense importance and is highly effective. Unfortunately, not everyone can utilize it, which is a significant limitation and a missed opportunity for those who could benefit from its potential impact. Because finding an opportunity, finding a chance for this is also a blessing from the Almighty. The Almighty God stated, those individuals who possess fear, when they experience the touch of a faction belonging to Satan, they recollect and remember, you all better make sure to remember to stay away from the devil. You know those guys, when the devil interferes with them, they become aware of it and seek shelter in God. So, there they are, all happy and content. So I said, I've learned this vehicle well, and I want to use it. 2 months go by, and all those moments when I needed it have passed. I've gotten angry, I've gotten into trouble, but I haven't sought refuge. I haven't even tried to seek refuge. Why? The reason is being ready to take refuge and being able to take refuge, Allah Almighty grants the opportunity to use it to the pious. Taqwa is not just about avoiding sins, but also about keeping God in mind in our daily lives. That's why God said, O mankind, not O people. When individuals are under the influence of the devil, they remain oblivious to it and consequently seek refuge in Allah. Instead, Allah designates them as the righteous ones. Thus, seeking refuge is an exceptional opportunity, and the Almighty God graciously grants it to the righteous individuals. So please feel free to give it a try without any hesitation. If a person doesn't have their share from fate, and if they're not someone who keeps an eye on the commands and prohibitions of the Almighty and doesn't make an effort in this regard, they fall into the most critical moment of the most critical and seek refuge in the Almighty. He never realizes he can't locate that chance. But just a moment ago, Guy, we observed Maryam, and in a minute she instantly said Kala, which means Inni a'udu bi Ramani, which means I seek refuge in Raman Shiz. We see Yusuf in the crowd. Amidst the glimmer of that environment, incense is being spread around. The atmosphere is completely overwhelmed by lust. Oh my goodness. In this particular moment when Yusuf finds himself face to face, the word that comes out of his mouth, because he was a devoutly religious person before, is, oh my God, I find refuge in God. Because with a small amount of preparation, you can seize this golden opportunity to press the button at the highest level of importance. But you discarded the button wherever you saw it. You didn't even take it with you. You didn't care. It is of no use to me even when it is given. You looked at it with disdain. You didn't protect it like the apple of your eye. You didn't maintain your connection with it, including prayer and other religious duties. You didn't show any interest towards the Almighty, so you do not have the opportunity to use such an important button. Learning is free, but using it requires a certain level of fitness.